In this episode of Kids Drawings, I will show you how to draw the Groot character from the movie Guardian of the Galaxy. So we're going to draw the Groot character, and you can decide what color you want to add to your Groot character. I'm showing you step by step how to draw the character called Groot. Then you can decide what color you want to add to your Groot character. You can just add some lines. You don't have to be specific with it. Just add some lines in your group and it will all work out fine. There you have it, guys. We have drawn the character Groot. I'll just add a few leaves popping off of him. And you can add your leaves green. There you go. And that's the character Groot. Now you can choose to add whatever colors you would like to add to your Groot character. I'm adding like a yellow-green color to my Groot character. And as I've said before, you can choose whatever color you want to add. If you have a very light brown, you can use that. You're watching Video for Kids, Drawing for Kids, Video for Kids, Drawing for Kids, Video for Kids, and this is a step-by-step drawing tutorial on how to draw Groot. Groot is from the movie The Guardian of the Galaxy. There you have it, guys. Groot. Please subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step for kids drawing, coloring, and painting. New Drawing for Kids, Video for Kids are uploaded daily. Thank you so much for your support.